Hi, I'm Jason Lindenmuth with Geoprobe and Drillmax Service. And today I'm going to demonstrate replacing the swivel packing on a DM450 top head. This will need to be done occasionally after several adjustments and you've run out of adjustment. Today we'll be doing this demonstration on a stand, but you can easily do it on your rig as well. To do this replacement procedure, you're going to need a lifting device, a screwdriver, a long-handled 3/8 drive ratchet with a 16mm socket and a 13mm socket, and then a 15/16 socket and wrench. Use the rig's winch and a strap to support the water pipe. Just lift it enough to get to what you need. Remove the 4 12-point bolts that hold the water pipe to the packing nut. Remove the clamp at the top of the water pipe. Use the winch to raise the water pipe out of the way. Remove the 2 bolts holding the packing nut keeper. Using your 3/8 ratchet, remove the spindle nut. Then remove the packing nut assembly. Next, remove the bushing. Then, using a small screwdriver or a pick, remove the lower swivel packing. Remove the upper swivel packing in the same manner. Apply a layer of grease to the new packing and install it into the packing nut assembly. Apply a layer of grease to the other packing and install it in the swivel housing, making sure that it seats in there firmly. Reinstall the bushing. And then reinstall the packing nut. Hand tighten for now. Lower the water pipe into place and install the water pipe clamp. Hand tighten it as well. Reinstall the 4 water pipe flange bolts. Then tighten the packing nut. Tighten it just enough to keep the seals from leaking. Do not over tighten. Okay, reinstall the keeper and bolts. Tighten the water pipe flange bolts. Then tighten the pipe clamp bolts. And remove the strap from the pipe to complete the assembly. If you have any questions on this procedure or any other procedure on a DrillMax rig, contact Geoprobe DrillMax Service.